Rug hooking for me is more than a pastime. I guess it's the way that I make sense of the world. It's the way that I speak. It's how I found my voice, really. I want to make rugs that are unmistakably art, that are beautiful, that make people reflect, not on the rugs themselves, but on their own stories and their own lives. I'm inspired by, the natural world around me, the waves, the beach rocks, the chance to jump in and put your feet in the water and have a swim. I'm inspired by a rainy day. I'm inspired by the fog and the mist, and I'm inspired by the sunshine. Sometimes when I'm walking along the road and I look into the woods or I see the goldenrod, I just carry it home with me, and I carry it, in my heart. And then a few days later, a few weeks later, sometimes a few months or a few years later, it comes out in a rug. And I don't always know when it's coming or how it's coming. I just wait. And when it's ready and I'm ready, the two, like my life, that I go for my walks, I sit and hook, and I read a lot, and I just let those things sort of combine themselves, and they comes out in my sketchbook, and I see this sketch, and I don't quite know where it comes from. And even when I take the sketch and pull it into a rug and start to turn it into a rug, the sketch starts changing. And when I'm hooking, just the experiences of my life, like that walking along the beach or that walking down the road and looking into the woods, comes out in the rugs, and I'm just guiding them along, really. And I hope that if there's one thing that people will see in my rugs is the mystery of life and the beauty of the world around.